So one other thing we can do, instead of using padding top in order to center this vertically, I'm going to remove the padding here, is to use the line height. So we've used the line height before in a paragraph to create these spaces between the lines of text. But we can also use it in a single line of text in order to center it vertically when we know what the height is going to be. So let's just copy the height here, and let's set the line height to that value. And when we do, we get it vertically centered. To me, this feels like a more sustainable approach than using padding. So we'll stick with the idea of using line height instead of padding from here on out. Okay, so we need to take this and bring it over here to our styles. So we can keep our size, our width, and our height. We'll leave our background color, and border radius. But now to get the centering, what we're going to do is do line height, and we'll set that to the px2 rem, and then pass it the size. And then we also need to add the box sizing border box. Okay, we can remove our commented outlines here. Let's save this and refresh in the browser. There we go.